Hello everyone, I'm Angel. Today we are going to see about basic Unix and Linux commands. Here, my theme is movie database management. Here in this experiment, I perform basic file handling, directory operations, file content analysis, permissions, sorting, and system utility commands in the inventory terminal. Here, first of all, I will be opening a terminal. We would for the shortcut was to Control Alt plus T. Uh, then why we have to use this Ubuntu terminal means the terminal is used to execute the Unix Linux commands. We have used for that this terminal, and then the first one we have did is that's I have did is PWD. PWD is to check the user or the home whose home is the. And then the next one is, the question is list the contents of the specific directory, including hidden files. Okay, to here ls slash hyphen la. This command was used. Why this command was used means here ls now list directory contents. Okay, a directory contents, so it will list, and then hyphen L na gives detailed format, and hyphen A shows hidden files also. And then the next question can be see it all displayed. The next question, list contents of a system directory of your choice. Example slash var slash tmp etc. These are the in this anything you can use like that they have given. Then the we have used tmp. Here tmp we have used for the system directory contents for listing the system directory contents. Then create two directories with unique names. Like example they have given. We have used movie DB. We have used movies and actors. Okay, here, two files we have, two directories we have used. Okay, then the next one was create a hidden directory with a custom name. Hidden directory with a custom name. Na? Here it is also given PWD. These are the directories. Okay. Change into one of the directories you just created. So we have created movies and actors, right? So we are changing movie DB to current directory to that movies directory. And then the next one is copy a specific system file, uh, etc. Password to your current directory with the new name. Okay. Here CP means copy. Here I copied password system file into a current directory and we are renaming it as movie copy dot text. Okay, here we are renaming it the movie users dot text and we are renaming it got movie. Okay, it the output for seeing the output we are using ls command. And then the next question was change back to your home directory and verify your location using command. Okay, to change to the home directory, na? Like the previous first what we have that one. First what we have now cd that similarity symbol. Like, CDs and where we have using, and then next year I already said that to check the home we have to use PWD and we have used it. And then next create a file using a text editor, Vim or Nano. We always prefer Nano, so that I have used here Nano. Then here include custom rows of a data relevant to your theme. Okay, here they have said data relevant to your theme. You have to use the nano text editor. Okay, then we have used nano movies.txt. We have given, and then cat. We have giving these informations, and then cat movies.txt. This is you. This being used. Okay, then the output is shown. Then the file content analysis. In this answer the following based on the file you created. Filter and display rows based on a specific condition. Users with the specific interest. Here, grep. We have used a grep enter command. Grep sci-fi movies.txt. Here, grep searches the matching rows. Here it displays only action movies. Okay. Like if you give action, it will display action movies. Here we have given sci-fi. So it have displayed sci-fi movies. Then next, display selected columns of the data. Here, if, for displaying the selected columns, you are using this hyphen D colon for the comma colon hyphen F1 comma to movies.txt for the IDs and names for the columns. Okay. Then display the contents of the created file without blank lines. File directory manipulation. Here we have used grep hyphen V and the dollar symbol and movies.txt. If we given this, the output was C. Here, what it done was this removes the blank lines. Okay, the blank lines will be removed and displays only the non-empty lines. Any non-empty lines, then it will remove only the it will display non-empty lines only. Okay. Then move a file from one directory to another. For moving a file, a simple command is used. Move movies.txt. Okay, so our movies, so that we have used movies.txt. We have to use a common thing is mv. Okay, then change into the target directory and check if the file is present there. Okay, we have to change cd double stop and then ls listing it. Okay, then rename a file in the target directory and verify the changes. First, we have to rename no, then we are moving it movies.txt to movie database text, listing it, and then the next is calendar specific month and year, date. Date, if we simply give date, we are getting it. And then remove one of the directories we created earlier. So remove one of the directories, we are using RMDIR actors, then it will remove. Then display the last few lines, last three of a file. So to display the last three, take -3 and the what is our text we have to give. And then list all the commands you have executed so far and save them into a file with the specific name. Here we are giving for a specific name. Here they are, in example they have given command /history.txt. Here history greater than command /history.txt we are giving, and then we are listing it out. This is 10th question. History lists all the executed commands, and it saves them to a command history text in that file. And the 13th one was count the total number of files in a specific directory. Here we have using ls slash wc hyphen l. This will display the total number of specific directories we have used. And then the next is perform sorting the contents of three files and store the results in a fourth file. So to sort is this one is sorting, perform sorting. So to sort on the file name greater than sorted movies.txt. Okay. Then change the permissions of a file such that group users and others have no access. Others cannot access, only you can access like that. For that, we are using chmod 700, the file name movies slash database.txt. Why we are using that means chmod changes the file permissions and 700 means owners has a full access. Group and others on the no access. They doesn't have any access. Then the result was to all the basic Unix Linux commands are executed for the movie database management team. File creation, movement, the filtering, sorting, permissions, system utility commands were verified successful. Thank you.